doing a little sunsetter repair. The sunsetter had the material had come loose from its holding bracket up against the house, and as you can see, I've got a limitation here for pulling that material out of the slot because of the roof line. So what I did was to remove the material from the house by using these ties to hold it against the arms. I repaired the material, I hope. I'm going to put it back up and see, but you can see what I did was I cut that channel at each end so I can just bring it down on the ground and reinsert it, and then I'm going to try putting it back up. So next step is putting it back up. Okay, I'm putting the sunsetter canopy back up, and you can see the restriction I had pulling it out. I did trim out some of the channel on the takedown of this because I thought I could put it back up through that channel, but that didn't work, and so that's the reason I went ahead and cut the end off and brought it down to the ground where I could remount it. That's a support screw to hold the rib, and then I've got a few more screws to put in to complete this connection, and then I'll release the ties and we'll see if it all holds. Okay, this is the right end of the sunsetter, and you can see where I used a Dremel to cut that channel off, and then it's got its securement screw, and then I've got all the other screws. It's rainy here, but if you look real close, that's what the original seal is supposed to look like. You can kind of see it seamed together there. That's the part that hadn't come apart yet. And then on down here, where I added some stuff trying to hold the material together. Zip ties that held that up there while the material was removed from the house are removable. So anyway, on this end, I've got the zip tie removed, and you can see my ugly patch job up there. Just PVC glue, and you use clamps to hold that material together there. So, and then over here is the tools. This is the tool set pretty much. And on Phillips head screwdrivers and screws, don't let that Phillips head jump in the screw or you'll ruin the screw for sure. Yeah, roll this out. That's the top now that it's rolled out. What? Not in my video. Okay. And that's the sticky underneath, trying to hold the part that came apart. Okay, and here's your canopy, ready to go to work again. We'll know in a week or so if it holds.